Technical textiles is our core DNA. We have certain products where we can reduce the COD, BOD values of the entire textile industry and chain. Where I have still see that there's a way to develop more in Bangladesh. We are ready to support that with United Textile Services locally in the market. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce Biotex Malaysia, a blue sign company. Our factory is in Malaysia. We have a strong presence in Southeast Asia. Biotex is a European, French, German founded company, and 25 years back we decided to open the factory not in Europe, in Malaysia, to supply to the entire textile industry from Malaysia to Bangladesh, India, Pakistan. We are very strong in technical textile chemistry to bring add value to the fabric, like flame retardant, water repellents, oil repellency, phenolic yellowing, chlorine fastness, so to bring add value on the regular textile. But out of that we supply also the regular textile auxiliaries, sequestering, leveling agent, detergents. And this is all made in Malaysia with European technology. When we decided to open the factory in Malaysia, a European technology, European founded company, so everyone was asking our founder, why you are going to Malaysia? All our competitors are still in Germany. But we decided at that time to say we go close to the market to produce in Malaysia, which has a strong, let's say, feedstocks to produce these auxiliaries, and to supply in 5 to 6 days to the market. Nowadays, due to the problem of the supply chain, this is a big advantage for us to supply to Karachi port in Pakistan in 5 days, to India in 5 days, to Dhaka we are in 7 days here. So this is something which is a big advantage nowadays, and also we would use with this transport the CO2 emission of the transport way with the vessels. Out of that we are supplying to Bangladesh market already high concentrated, which be diluted locally, or the customer can dilute them on their own. We explain the customers how to do that. So with that solution we would use the transport of water, so we don't have to ship water from Malaysia to Bangladesh. So the customer can strongly focus and high concentrates, no water, let's say handling in the plant. And this is something which I will say which is important for today, but also for the future. And we have certain products where we can reduce the COD, BOD values of the entire textile industry and chain. For expansion, last year we already moved from our old factory Bandar Baru Bangi in Malaysia to the Kanjang area, where we have doubled our capacity in production. But of course the future for us is to come to this market and to produce locally the products for the Bangladesh market. So we supply already high concentrates to United Textile Services, but the future is to produce also products really technology here, and we are in contact with local authorities, and we are really further with our steps. We signed already NDAs to get in some special zones which are now developed for the Bangladesh textile market, already contracts to move to the next steps. So we will come soon with news about that, and to announce this hopefully directly with you, Textile Today. We have a strong partnership with the United Textile Services, Mr. Elias Hossein, for the last, I would say, 20 years. And I want to highlight he's our exclusive distributor and sole agent for this country. And as we are growing and our reputation in the market is very good, we are Blue Sign certified company, so we see in the market a lot of brand copy of our United Textile Service and Biotex brand. So I want to highlight that Mr. Elias is the sole agent for our products. So with his textile engineer team, we can give to the customers the right solutions, and we prove that already in some certain accounts where we can reduce their chemical consumption and subsidize the products with a less harm, with the non-hazardous products. Technical textiles, as I mentioned in the beginning, is our core DNA. We supply huge quantities to Pakistan, to India, to the technical textile market, to the US, to Germany, for water repellency, flame retardants, anti-mosquito, antibacterial products. Where I have still see that there's a way to develop more in Bangladesh, that the textile mills can have an add value on their fabric, and not now only in knit goods and, let's say, I will say, not cheap fabric, but to really bring add value to the fabric. And this transition we have done in Pakistan and now in India, and we are ready to support that with United Textile services locally in the market. But I want to highlight something for this. So the textile mills and the market should not wait for the buyers to come to approach them. They should prepare already fabrics with anti-mosquito, antivirus, water repellents, and that they have that ready from this side to approach from their side the buyers what is ready. They should not downgrade themselves, because we see already in Bangladesh with some textile units like Midas, which is a high-end safety glove fabric producer. They're using our products in Bangladesh, and we had a good discussions also on a technical textile exhibition in Frankfurt, where we had meetings already with Bangladesh buyers and customers to support them in this transition. But I want to approach and say, please, from the textile mill side, they should be ahead of the buyer to have ready these products. We have a core team to explain the add value of low CO2 footprint or use recycled material, which is really, something for the future. And I would be happy to give you this introduction and about the products, what we are doing with the brands. During our show in September, there's a die camp where we bring our technical team together with United Textile Services. We have a booth in BD75 in September. So we will be there with our core team from Europe and from Bangladesh to introduce and to explain what is the add value on the technical textile, low CO2 footprint, and which brands we are working already together.